Virnig Manufacturing is owned by my brother and sister-in-law, Dean and Lois. They started the business in their two-car garage doing mostly repair work for local farmers and construction companies. And as the time went on, they started building skid loader attachments, and it was a niche that they got into that they were very successful at. Their main goal is to always build a higher quality product and treat their customers fairly. And that business principles have stuck to this day, and we have grown immensely since then. We've done multiple building expansions, upgraded technology both on the floor and digitally, and we continue to keep going forward with those goals in mind. We feel that we need to maintain a high level of quality to be competitive, and we also need to be more efficient wherever we can.
As a company, we want to produce a quality product at a cost-effective price. We want to get something in the end user's hands that they're going to appreciate using and realize that they paid good money for a good product.
Every decision that we do as a company, we try to focus on improving quality to be a good value for customers that buy our equipment.
One of the biggest problems that we were facing before going paperless was having inaccurate or old prints out on the shop floor. Allowing us to go paperless, we can basically have just one source of information where everybody can draw from. You don't have these multiple copies or old copies floating around, and we don't have to maintain binders or books or file cabinets of documents to keep up to date.
We're a smaller company, so we try to make changes as we can to promote our product and gain market share. And every time we do a change, we have to go make sure the guys have the right documents on the floor. We were just spending a lot of time tracking down information that wasn't helping us get any product done. When we went paperless, access is nearly instantaneous. The guys always have the most accurate current information, and we don't have to walk around to update information, and more importantly, the guys on the floor don't have to spend a lot of time looking for information now that's right at their fingertips. Windchill is a file management system. Before, we just saved all our files on a server just like you'd save a picture on a file saving system. And everyone had access to it that could get to our servers. As we have more people gaining access, you could change a drawing or change a model inadvertently and it could cause a huge problem. So one thing Windchill did for us is a file management system, so you only can change drawings you have access to, and you can have multiple viewers so lots of people can view it without any concern of deleting a file or changing it inadvertently. Windchill, we actually got viewing capability on the floor, so we have monitors set up for the various areas of our facility so the operators on the floor can actually access drawings that we create through the Windchill system and view them to do their daily tasks. We generate work orders through our MRP system, so the guys on the floor know what jobs they need to do. They read the information coming from our MRP system and they can access the drawings through Windchill, so they have instant access to the documents they need. It's just so much more of a seamless system when we can just post information for everyone to access as compared to physically going and gaining access or making paper copies. It's much faster and much more accurate. I would estimate we save at least an hour a day as a company, probably several hours a day, just by having instant access to our product. And it also helps with quality because we know that everyone has the proper information. It helps with consistency, which helps our quality, which helps us be more efficient. And as a company, we need to be more efficient to stay competitive in a very competitive market. But EAC was very helpful in kind of helping us guide us through that process to make sure once we were ready to go live, everything functioned, and it did.